What's up, guys, and welcome back to the IT Tutoring for You channel. I am your guru. My name is Kareem, and today, guys, I'm excited. Why am I excited? Because I get to show you how to configure your domain name server, also known as DNS. This video is actually a continuation, so if you're new, I suggest you check out the playlist. Take a look at the videos from the very beginning so that when you get to this point, you're not lost or confused as to how I even got here from the beginning. For those who have been in tune, you should already be set up and ready to go and follow along. So without further ado, I'm just going to get straight to it. I know you guys don't like a lot of talking. So here we have it on the desktop, DNS. What you want to do is click the DNS icon on your desktop. That's if you have it on your desktop. That's why I put mine to make it easier. But wherever it is for you, just launch it. So what we want to do is right click on forward lookup zones, open a new zone, and get ready to follow the wizard here. Now, what I want you guys to know is that although this is going to be a very short video, it doesn't take much to set up DNS. This is still a really critical and important step in the process of completely setting up your server. If you don't have this configured properly, what you're going to do is run into a problem when trying to add workstations to the domain. So to circumvent all of that, we're just going to set it up now and get straight to this. So the thing that you want to do is make sure that primary zone is selected by default, which it will be. You want to click next. The default here is fine too to all DNS servers running on domain controllers in this domain, sandbox.com. Exactly how we want the zone to be replicated. You click next, specify the zone name. We're going to name this zone sandbox. So now that the zone is named, you're going to click next, and then from there you want to make sure that this is selected, which it should be by default, and if it isn't, you want to make sure that it is, because as you can see here, it's recommended for Active Directory, so there's nothing that we want to change in that sense. And once you have that selected, you're all done. So just click finish, and now you're ready to go. Like I said, simple, easy, not that many steps, but still critically important to your infrastructure. So if you like what I showed you guys today, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to stay in tune with all the information that comes from the channel, comment, let me know your thoughts so I can reply and we can exchange back and forth. That's all I have for you today, guys. It's been real. Until next time.